Hi everyone, this is Bramesh from BrameshTechAnalysis.com, and in this video I'll explain a simple time cycle strategy which you can apply on a weekly chart to find the important key dates and key levels which you can use in your trading. So I'll take examples of like Nifty, Bank Nifty, Reliance, I mean silver, and let's take example of Nasdaq also. So this can be applied on all kind of instruments. I'll take varieties of examples to make you understand how a simple time cycle strategy can help you out in capturing a big move in the market. Now the number is 26, like 26 weeks in any time cycle in any chart which is liquid, which is volatile, it plays a very crucial role. Now first let me give you a brief background on 26. Like 26 is the number of total characters if you count from A to Z, which we have been learning from our childhood. The total number will come to 26, and it is used in science like Bosnick string theory, which is quite influential in science. The number of space-time dimension also comes to 26, and religion, like all the Hebrew characters, if you pronounce God in Hebrew, and if you do a sum of that, that will also come to 26. And in sports also, the number of complete miles in a marathon, it's generally 26 miles. So, so it's a very influential number. It has been used in nature, and there are other varieties of application, but I've just given you a brief background. Now, let me just explain you. So I've opened a chart of Bank Nifty, as you can see here, and you can see here like around these levels, which is around 21,000. Bank Nifty has given a lot of time multiple bounce back. So why is that level so important? So what I'm doing is I'm using Trading View. I'm clicking here and I can click on date range. So I capture a major top. Major top was made around 30th December in Bank Nifty. I go here and from there I'll calculate 26 bars, which is technically 26 weeks. So this is the 26th week candle. Okay, so this is the 26th bar. Now what I will do is I'll just mark the high and low of this bar. The high is 22,344 and low is 21,026. So I'll go to a horizontal line. I put a value 21026, and the high is 22,345. Yeah. So now you can see here. So this was our 26 bars. I marked the line and you can see here multiple times it has made a bottom here and from there it bounced back. So you know your key reference level, like 21026 and 22,345. If market goes above it, it's better to be bullish. Like it went about 22,345 here, and it just rallied more than 800 points here, and every time it is coming down near 21,000, it is showing a good bounce back in the market. So you get key reference level and you get a important time cycle. So like from here the market has been holding on to this level, so till this level is not broken, there is no point of I mean, every time it comes to this level you can buy here with a small stop loss for a target of the higher end of the range. And if it crosses about this level, which is 22,345, you can easily see 800 900 points move in the market. Let's take one more example. So if I take out this low, I mean, this was also a major low, so let's calculate 26 bar from here. So this was a low, and from here I'll calculate a 26 bar. See here. So this was a kind of a perfect top, and from there, the market was just falling. So this is how you can use. I'll take an example of Reliance. Now we know that Reliance rallied almost 12% in, I think, 3 4 weeks back. Yeah, see this week it rallied almost 12%. So let's see if there is any relation with the 26 bar. So I'll take this top, and from here, if I calculate 26 bar, it will come here. So this week only we got a rally of 10%, and from there the market, I mean this stock has been going up. So if I take this bottom and from here if I calculate 26 bar, it's come to here. So it gave a good up move, and once this low was broken, a good down move also came in. Now let me take an example of Nifty. I've already drawn here 26 bar. See here. So this was the top it made, and from there if we calculate 26 week on a weekly time frame, it made a bottom here, and from there a good rally. If I take this bottom, so you can calculate from various bottoms. So this bottom, sorry, this bottom 26 bar again, kind of perfect top, and from there we had a fall of almost 4-5%. If I take this bottom, or let me go here, let me take this bottom, this top, sorry, and from here if I calculate 26 bar, see here. Now this is a very crucial zone, so this we can use in our trading at the current juncture. So for me, 11,239 on upside and 10,953 on downside. These are two important levels to be watched out for. It went above 11,239 here. It gave us 100-point move, not a major move, and it went below 10,953 and 100 points move. Market has been completely sideways. Now again it is trading around this range. So technically I can easily see line kind of 253, 50 points move once this higher low of this one of these candles are broken. Now this I have drawn for Nasdaq. Like if you can see here, it made a bottom here at this point of time, and from here if I calculate 26 bars, which will come somewhere here, and from there you can see here it was one-sided rally in the market. Similarly, if I go for silver, I mean which has been, I mean it almost doubled. So if you can see here, I mean this was a major top which it made, and from there if you calculate 26 bar, let me just do that. So this is the 26 bar. Once that low was broken, a big fall, and see if I have drawn a line here. Once this 26 bar high was broken, you had a one-sided rally. So what I'm trying to highlight here is these are important, both. I mean, you can calculate from price wise and even time wise. Like if I want to see what could be the next potential key reversal point in silver, so I can calculate 26 bar. As of now, we are on 20th bar only from this bottom. So another 6 weeks is where we can see some good trend reversals in silver. If I go for Nasdaq, like if you calculate 26 bar from this low, so as of now we are at, let me just take it off here. This is the bottom, and as of now we are at the 19th bar. So another 5 weeks for the 26 bar to come to show the effect which we can see in this particular stock. Sorry, in this index. Similarly, if I calculate from here, so now it is at 24, another 2 weeks. So next 2 and next 4 weeks are very, very important for Nasdaq. So you get your price levels, you get your time levels. So it is a very interesting strategy. You try it off on various instruments which you follow. You will see important trend reversal, important key levels which you can watch out for this any particular instrument you are trading on. So experiment with this strategy. Try to put this strategy as a part of your trading plan, and see how important price time cycles play such an important role in your trading. So this is what I wanted to discuss. So kindly experiment with it. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section, and stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you guys.